Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna talk about Ebola virus disease (EVD). EVD is a deadly disease caused by infection with Zika Ebola virus, one of 4 types of the virus that is known to cause illness in people. After entering the body, it kills cells, making some of them explode. It wrecks the immune system, causes heavy bleeding inside the body, and damages almost every organ. Don't worry, even though the virus is scary, but it also rare. This is because you can get it only from direct contact with an infected person's body fluid. Ebola virus was first discovered in 1976 near the Ebola River in what is now the Democratic Republic of Congo. Since then, the virus has been infecting people from time to time, leading to outbreak in several African countries. Scientists do not know where Ebola virus comes from. Based on similar viruses, they believe EVD is animal-borne, with bats or non-human primate being the most likely source. Infected animals carrying the virus can transmit it to other animals like monkeys and humans. The virus first spread to people through direct contact with the blood, body fluid and tissue of animals. Ebola virus then spread to other people through direct contact with body fluid of a person who is sick with or has died from EVD. This can occur when a person touches this infected body fluid or objects that are contaminated with them. The virus then gets into the body through broken skin or mucous membrane in the eyes, nose or mouth. People can get the virus through sexual contact with someone who is sick or has recovered from EVD. The virus can persist in a certain body fluid like semen after recovery from the illness. Ebola survivors may experience side effects after their recovery. This may include tiredness, muscle ashes, eye and vision problems, and stomach pain. The symptoms of Ebola may appear anywhere from 2 to 21 days after contact with the virus. With an average of 8 to 10 days, the cause of the illness typically progresses from dry symptoms, initially such as fever, ashes and pain, and fatigue, and then progresses to wet symptoms such as diarrhea and vomiting as the person becomes sicker. The vaccine RVSV-ZEBOV Ervebo is the only vaccine approved to prevent Ebola. Researchers are studying other vaccines that could prevent Ebola, but they still need to test them in more people to see if they are safe and if they are work. When living in or traveling to a region where Ebola virus is potentially present, there are a number of ways to protect yourself and prevent the spread of EVD as following. The first one is to avoid contact with blood and body fluid such as urine, saliva, sweat, vomit, breast milk, semen, and vaginal fluid of people who are sick. Second is to avoid funeral or burial practices that involve touching the body of someone who died from EVD or suspect EVD. The last one is to avoid contact with bats, forest antelopes, and non-human primates such as monkeys and chimpanzees. Blood fluid or raw meat prepared from this. This same prevention method should be used when living in or traveling to an area undergo an Ebola outbreak. After returning from an area undergo an Ebola outbreak, people should monitor their health for 21 days and seek medical care immediately if they develop symptoms of EVD. That's it from me. Thank you for listening.